Hi Archie. How are you doing? Are you just chilling on the bike? Have you been working on the bike? No comment. Alright. Well, you just chill. Neill and Darcy have been working on this bike on and off for the last few weeks. They came in yesterday and finished grinding a bunch of this smooth. Neill welded this himself. It's looking pretty good. It's all feathered in. So there's a panel there that fit real nicely just inside of the curve. We made it so it fits all flush and filled with weld all the way around. So it looks a lot less like a bicycle frame now, a little more like a motorcycle. It's for Neill's first time welding, so I'll do some patching and filling, and I'll fill this gap for him. He did pretty good for his first time though. That's some thin sheet metal to weld. So that's coming along. He's also finished welding inside here. Might be able to see from the back. I'd open the back, but I don't want to disturb Archie. These little gussets, some angle iron welded to here and out to here. So now the whole frame and the cabin here, doghouse, it's all one piece structure now, and the wood can be removed from the bottom. It's its own entity. So that's good. I'm happy with its progress. He's got inside here there's another gusset going down to the frame, so it has increased in rigidity a lot. I think we found a different light for the front. Still looking for a fender, but coming along. Got the brake mostly figured. Got most of the parts here, so we're just down to some grinding and welding. Haven't done many videos in a while. I've been busy getting that ready. I'm going to push that back into this corner. Chris and I turned it around last night to get it ready for the push, and I want it to sit right back in here. Might take out some more wall to fit it. So I probably will show more about this project in the future, seeing as it's kind of electrical related. Lots of stepper motors, not steppers, sorry, that's a DC servo motor. I'm going to have to probably put some modern encoders on the backs and stuff, but that'll be another project I'll probably show you. And in the meantime, Archie and I have been working on this a lot, but it's gas powered. You can learn how to fix these elsewhere on YouTube. You don't need me to show you that, but we've been putting a lot of time into shining the wheels and getting it ready. Apparently that is unobtainium. I need one of those. Other than that, I've been sourcing out windows and stuff, cleaning stuff up, new tires, new suspension. Coming along. Yeah, hey buddy. Yeah. Working on the Celica. Yeah. Alright. That's Archie and my story for today. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.